Hello investors and traders, today I'll speak about the C3 one of the hottest artificial intelligence stock in the market now, with a market cap more than $2 billion. So for the very beginning, let's start with the chart. It's a daily time frame, so in my mind here since the beginning of the year I traded in here a triangle with A, B, C, D and E. It's a correctional wave, and after this correction I'm expecting, of course, to see this stock higher. So my target, at least seen from here, it's about 30 bucks per share, so the growth potential is at least 40%. Let's have a look on the last quarterly report of this company, the investor presentation. It was the March 2nd of this year, so C3 will see that the customer growth year over year is 8%, attractive margin, gross margin non-GAAP is 76, so these figures look good. Also we can see that the C3 partner model success with cloud, it works with Google Cloud, with Amazon, and of course with Microsoft. So it's the giants, with the top companies. It's this company has a lot of deals, so it's looks very charming. Also the C3 partner model success with global system integrators like Allen, like Accenture, EY, one of the biggest, the big four big consulting firms and whole over the world. And of course with industry, by the way, with oil and gas, we see here is such names and the world names like ExxonMobil, like Eni, it's Italian company, Qatar Gas, also of course the Petronas and Baker Hughes, so Shell, by the way. So closed 87 contracts in the oil, LNG and chemical industry. So we see a lot of companies worldwide really implement the soft and the artificial intelligence of this company. If you're interested in stock market fundamental technical analysis, so of course don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also we see that they launched a generative AI product suite. The C3 generative AI product suite embeds advanced transformer models with C3 AI's pre-built AI application, accelerating customers' ability to leverage these models across their value chains. So we see Snowflake, Azure, Workday, SAP, Salesforce. So of course all the top companies use and integrated the C3 soft in their daily work. If we look at the quarterly revenue, so we see that in 21 the company earned about 52 billion per quarter, 58 now. The last since 2002, since the second half of 2002, the average revenue is, I think, about 70 billion bucks. So it's the revenue of this company continue to grow. Also we can see for the third quarter financial result, actually it's this quarter, so the revenue was 66 billion bucks. The free cash flow is still negative, it's not a good sign. And also after all the adjustment, also still the free cash flow continue to be a negative one. And here we can see the guidance for the next quarter. The revenue expected to be at the range 72 billion bucks. The year over year growth is negative, and the non-GAAP loss from operation still negative. But the total revenue for this year is the company expect to earn 70 to 80 billion bucks per quarter. The year over year growth is for the whole year expected to be a positive 4 to 5%, but still we can see that the loss from operations is continue to grow. It's about 70 billion bucks. So generally speaking, we see that the company now it is still not profitable. The last here we see 5 quarters. It's just showing losses. But the revenue grow. But don't forget, it's a lot of hype here. It's a very hot sector now. All the stuff related to artificial intelligence, Chat GPT, the what invented the Microsoft, also of course Google now trying to create its own chat IE chat. So in my mind, C3 IE, the financial stability and the financial results not so impressive for me. By the way, I remind you that they now performing issue of stocks, so they just make a delusion stocks. It's not a good sign. But as a trading, if you speak about trading, of course it can be a nice one to trade to maybe in the long run. I think there is still a potential about 20-30% upside potential. So it's my opinion about this company C3 IE. So if you like this video, of course, don't forget to press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and see you the next time. Bye.